name is Tianqi Zhai. Today, our group will give a presentation about the global automobile industry. They are Zhenyu Yang, Xue Zheng, Qixin Li, Zhenyu Tian, and Qian Sun. We are going to divide this presentation into 4 parts. Firstly, we are going to talk about the main features of global automobile industry. And secondly, we are going to talk about the challenges posted into MNCs. And thirdly, we are going to talk about the types of marketing strategies of automotive industry. And finally, we are going to talk about the effectiveness in managing global business environment. So let's begin by looking at the first part. The main features of global automotive at the present stage. Firstly, the sector's core product in a passenger car. According to the UNECE, automobile play a key role in modern society, where up to 90% of global car production in passenger vehicles. As such, societies become increasingly mobile and dynamic. And secondly, in 2017, OICA said currently the global automotive industry operates in conditions of oversupply and excess production capacity, which increases the intensity of competition and causes a gradual decrease in companies' profit rates. And thirdly, industry stakeholders are large multi-brand companies. Today there are about 30 automakers, the largest of which are General Motors and Ford in America, Volkswagen and BMW in Europe, and Toyota and Honda in Japan. And finally, the main key determinants of the industry's competitiveness are resource intensity in component-related spending. Up to 40% of the spending structure of manufacturing and sales, 20% of labor, 20% of marketing, and product quality and brand reputation. And now let me hand it over to Zhenyu.
Thanks, Tianqi. Next, I will analyze the main characteristic of the automotive industry. I will analyze the following 5 points. The major player in the industry, the market share of the industry, the growth rate of the industry, how the government affect the industry, and whether the industry is capital intensive or labor intensive. According to the data analysis of OICA, International Automobile Manufacturer Organization, the main player in the industry are the 4 major markets of Europe, America, Asia, and Africa. According to the statistical analysis of the global auto generation in OICA in 2018 and 2019, Europe is down 4.3% year-on-year. American is down 3.6%. Asia is down 6.4%, and Africa is up 0.3%. From the data analysis, it can be concluded that the growth rates of industries in Europe, America, and Asia are negative. Africa is positive. The fastest growing country is Azerbaijan with year-on-year growth of 122.1%, following by Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan with growth of 56.6% and 22.9%, respectively. due to strict government control, this industry is facing pressure. In my opinion, the industry is labor intensive, and the evidence is that the countries than is other industry, and a large number of employees are required to practical in manufacture. Next, I will going to hand it over to Qixin, who is going to talk about the challenges.
Going to talk about the challenges posed to multinational corporations in the automobile industry. Facing the continuous growth of passenger car demand, how to make consumers choose us among many companies. Efficiency, reliability, and wellness are three fundamental drivers shaping trends to legislation and consumer preferences in the passenger car automotive market. Due to the hard in-market growth, the global automotive industry has expressed oversupply and overcapacity. As can be seen from the figure, the demand of the automotive industry has continued to decrease in 2018. Another reason is that P-car, as a substitute for passenger cars, has been favored by more people, especially young people. Supply and demand balance and capacity balance is a big challenge. Thank you for listening. Let's over to Tian.
Thanks, Qixin. Now I'm going to talk about the third part. For industry stakeholders who are large multi-brand multinational companies, the common problem is that the various self-interest may not all be aligned. For example, the purpose of shareholders is to maximize profits, but labor costs has a greater impact on profits. Companies will strictly control labor costs, which will cause dissatisfaction among their employees. Managing stakeholders' interests and expectations is also a huge challenge. The final part is the competitiveness of multinational companies. We can divide it into three levels. First one, the product level. It is the competitiveness of the surface level, including production and quality control capabilities, enterprises service, cost control, marketing, research and development capabilities. The second level is to support the competitiveness of the platform. In this industry, it is the most prone to suffer technological damage. The challenge is how to achieve technological leadership to avoid this situation. The final level is the core competitiveness. It is a significant role in infants the competitiveness of enterprises, how to spread cooperation control, maintaining brand reputation, and have long-term worldwide development goals. Thank you for your attention. Now I'm handed over to Xuezheng.
Thanks, Tian. And now I'm going to talk about the type of marketing strategies for automotive industry. And I'm going to divide it into three parts. The first is search engine optimization for automotive business. And the main purpose of car search engine more natural traffic to your site. In simple terms, this means having your site appear on Google and other search engines perfectly on the first page for the keywords and your potential customers are searching for. And by showing paid advertisements on search engines to increase traffic, listing this will give your site a permanent place in search results, attract more clicks, and allow customers to choose their company's best practice from a variety of businesses. And the second part is social media marketing. It's all about collecting and reaching more potential customers through the social media sites they use. On the other hand, use marketing to promote the brand and establish the brand image is not have a place, but even more niche in social networking platforms. The most important thing is to have people outside the company help the company with marketing and sales, promote sales contract of product or service, and get a corresponding commission. And the last but not least is keep up with the latest automotive marketing trends. Digital marketing, like any industrial, is changing fast, and so is the automotive industry. It's faster if you have it. Car makers are consistently releasing new models and car parts. These owners, the industry will not create a surplus. There will be excess capacity, supply over demand. And that's all I want to say. And now I'm handing it over to Sun, who is going to talk about how to manage global business.
For explaining how multinational companies use the strategy to manage global market, we will choose China as an example to analyze their performance. First, for the use of SEO managing global business environment, forward following the customer behavior and make the huge success in research engine result in China. For example, the company used the communication habits of local people instead of professional language. Therefore, when customers search keywords, the website of Ford will rank at the top of the result, leading to more potential traffic for the website. Second, as social media become a significant marketing tool in the competitive market, automotive industry also use the strategy in China to attract potential customers. Audi has achieved good result in the January of the year. One of the most important traditional festival, Spring Festival, is a lucky draw time to attract people to discuss and share the topic established by Audi. The most successful aspect is that aimed at potential customers buy the gift. The package full of tools for driving service. After this marketing campaign, the number of fans of Audi official account increased to more than 18,000. The last strategy that we pick is keep up with latest marketing trends. In China, there is a popular marketing tool in recent months, the live platform Kuaishou. This platform, the power of official marketing sectors and empower KOL to attractive customers in China. Since 2019, automotive companies start use Live plus short vlog to attract customers and active huge success. For example, more than 120,000 marketing accounts related with automotive industry have been created, including Toyota, Tesla. These accounts further attract approximately 45 million fans. The marketing performers are enough to make you feel amazed. During coronavirus period, automotive industry has become one of the most demand ones, which 37% decreased compared with last year. However, but this marketing strategy on Kuaishou achieved huge success in particular. The company let their staff introduce and sell cars by Live on Kuaishou after the one-day Live. The official account of Kuaishou increased 700,000 fans and reached 100,000 views just during these signal days. Overall, it could be found that by various marketing strategies in automotive industry, the company could achieve satisfying results. We wish our presentation could provide some valuable and interesting idea about it. Thanks. Okay, next, there are the references that we search. Thank you.